Cinemas around the world are busier than ever thanks to the arrival of two films that have rapidly become blockbusters. Excitement for Greta Gerwig's Barbie and Christopher Nolan's Oppenheimer has been in overdrive in the run-up to their simultaneous release, which has finally arrived. While Oppenheimer's critical ratings have blown past Barbie with a near-perfect Rotten Tomato score, the latter, which stars Margot Robbie and Ryan Gosling, is now expected to double the Cillian Murphy starring biopic's box office takings. However, both releases have shot past their expectations in a huge way, perhaps proving that audiences are tired of sequels and superhero films. Barbie was estimated to earn 110 million at the US box office during opening weekend, with Oppenheimer's total was projected to sit around 50 million. Impressively, Barbie is now on track to take 150 million, with Nolan's drama set to amass 75 million. Speaking in a new interview with The Independent, Nolan described Oppenheimer as the biggest film I have made. Meanwhile, Murphy admitted to struggling to watch the film due to seeing his face projected on the screen, but acknowledged that the film is designed to be watched with an audience. Oppenheimer's London premiere was cut short, however, as the cast left early in preparation for the SAG-AFTRA strike order, which was initiated hours after the event.